Guys, in this video, we are going to see how we can build this flip card animation using Tailwind CSS in React Vite app. So I have this Hello World app running here, and this is where we are going to design a card, and then we are going to implement a flip card animation on the card. To start designing a card, let's delete everything that we have here, and let's create a simple div tag, which will act as a wrapper for the card. Before we start designing a card, I'm just going to put a class name on this wrapper div, and we are going to make it flex and give it a background color of black, and let's give it a min height of screen, and we are also going to justify the content in the center, and let's also align all the items in the center. And inside this div tag, we are going to design a card, which is going to be another div tag, and this is going to have a class name where we are going to give it a width of 80, height of 100, and let's make the background color as green 300 for this card. Now we can see the card in the middle of the screen, and we can make the borders rounded by specifying rounded large. We are going to make it a flex and again justify everything in the center and also align all the items in the center. So that's the basic card that we have here, and inside this div tag we can create some content to display inside the card. To do that, let's create a div tag, and inside this div tag is going to be everything that we want to create inside this card. So this is going to have a div tag, and we can say we are going to put some questions. So this is going to be a question, and we can give it a class name. Text is going to be large on this, and in the next line we can actually put a question, which is going to be what's the capital of France. So now we have all the content inside this card. Probably we can remove this external div tag and make it like this. For the items to be arranged in a column, I can add a property on the wrapper div, which is basically the card. I can say here flex is going to be column. So question and the text are going to be arranged vertically. Here I can increase the text size to 2XL, and here we can make the text as gray. So now we have the basic card here, and in the next step we are going to implement flip card animation on this. To do that, I'm just going to create a state in this project, and let's make it a state variable, which is going to be flipped and set flipped. And by default, this is going to be use state, and the default value is going to be false. To flip the card when someone is going to click on it, I'm just going to create an on click event listener on this card here, and this is going to be on click. When someone is going to click on it, it's going to toggle the state, which is set flip to not flipped. So basically when someone is going to click on this card, the state is going to toggle between true and false. But as of now, when I click on it, I don't see the flip happening here because state is changing from true to false, but we don't have any conditional statements to reflect that changes here on the screen. So here, this is the content of this card, and this is where I'm going to put a conditional statement and say that if the card is not flipped, which means we are looking at the front of the card, this is going to be the content of the card. So I'm just going to cut it and move it inside. And to make it work properly, I have to wrap it inside the fragment. So let's do that, fix the syntax. So now we are going to see this question here only when card is not flipped. So now if I click on it, this part disappears because now we are looking at the back of the card. So now we have to figure out what we are going to see on the back of the card. So I'm just going to copy this content here and paste it again and remove not flipped. So if the card is flipped, that's the content we are going to see, and this is going to be the answer. And let's say this is going to answer our question, which is Paris. So basically if the card is not flipped, we see the question, and if the card is flipped, we see the answer. So let's try that. I'm just going to refresh it, and if I click on it, I see the answer. If I click back, I see the question. So now we are able to flip the card between front and back, but this is not really looking like a animation. So we are going to improve few things to make it look like a animation. So first thing we are going to do to make it look like an animation is to have a different color on the front and the back of the card. So front of the card is going to be red and back of the card is going to be green. So let's change the colors. As of now, we have a static color, which is green. It's always going to be green. So here I'm just going to change these quotes to dynamic quotes on this class name. And for the color, we are going to put a conditional statement here, which is going to say if the card is flipped, then our color is going to be BG green 300. Otherwise, it's going to be BG red 300. So now we have a conditional statement for the color. So on the front, we see the card is red. And if I click on it, this turns to green and we see the answer. So now the color is changing, but when I click on it, it is still not looking like a flip card animation. So we are going to put some transitions on this card to make it look like an actual rotation to give it a realistic feel of a flip. To do that, I'll just go to my div tag, which is my card. And on this div tag, I'm just going to put a transition, which is going to be transition transform. And how we want to transform this card depends on whether the card is flipped or not. So I'm just going to start a conditional statement here. And here we are going to say if the card is flipped, then we are going to transform it. And what's actually going to be the transformation? We are going to rotate it on a y-axis 180 degrees. Otherwise, if the card is not flipped, then there is going to be no transformation on the card. So let's save this and let's see what happens if I refresh this and if I click on this. Now this is actually looking like a card flip animation. Because the card is flipping at 180 degrees, the text is also flipping 180 degrees. To fix that, we are also going to apply the same transformation on the text which is there on the back of the card. So here, along with text gray, let's transform this and also transform this. So now if we click on it, the card will flip. At the same time, the text will also flip. So we do see the text in the right direction. And now it's looking like a perfect flip card animation. So you can click on it and it flips 180 degrees. So guys, if you found a value in this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any queries on this topic, leave me in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.